So in here on the garage door, you've got, I don't know if you can see that, but you can see right through it there. I'm pretty sure this hasn't been fitted correctly. At the top you've got daylight going through there, and then the same thing over there. And again, it's just, you know, it's just a complete mess. And even the door, I mean, look at the state of this door. Look at this. That's not even been painted. So it's been left to the elements for over 2 years. Crazy, absolutely crazy. And you got all the plastic pieces, they're still all around here. Look, see all this? And over 2 years, that plastic has just slowly disappeared. You can just see it there. Look. You see where the brush mark's gone around it. Rather than taking the actual handle off, painting it properly, and doing a good job, instead they just bodge it. I mean, you know, it's just ridiculous.